garlic butter prawns with baby bread. Sarap-sarap yan. Hindi man ako na-press.
Abay, sama mo naman ako dyan sa video. Kahit dito na ako nakaupo.
Doon tayo ni Kuya, dalawa.
Ayaw ko ng kanin. Para meron ako.
Arti.
Ayoko ng kanin!
Si Kuya.
Put in the side. Now.
Kainin mo kasi.
Why you bring the phone, ah? Hindi ka na papayat. Hindi ka na daw papayat. Ang dami naman ito.
Ano ka ba papayat mo? Naubos na yung cupcake. Hindi ko pala napicturan. Ang alin ba? Ginagawa ninyo doon. Okay. Happy birthday.
Daddy, nali pitik the nandun lang naman yun. Hindi, isang anong magbukas.
Okay, done.
Akala ko naman video pala, Ginoo.
Next family.
Put down.
Where he went to
Do know? Old uncle.
Dali, mama na lang. Nandito kami sa birthday na.
Stop.
Shut, never looking up.
So we go back dinner lah. Finish the dinner so lah.
One dinner ah. One go dinner ah. So,
Good dinner.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to both of you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, one more time.
Yung wala ko lighter.
Where's the phone?
yung ano, yung pakpak niya. Ay, ano ba yan? Yan, yung pakpak niya na sila na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Grabe. Okay, ate pa rin tayo na. Oh, grabe sa makabu.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Like, lumipad yung kurusa.
Sige, cut.
Subukan mo. Ikaw na mag-cut.
Si ate na mag-cut.
Properly?
Ate, slowly na.
Okay, done.
Okay,
Okay, done. Okay.
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 Ikaw na maglagay, Bio.
Give the captain to Mama.
Okay. Tambi, you can't be with that. Wait, sana. Let Tambi come first. Move a bit na. Okay. Please, tita ka. Tita.
Hindi ka mag-cut ka dito, Jay.
Tita.
Ala, nakalimutan ko ilagay pangalan mo. Mag-blow ka na ulit at ikakakantahan.
Tapi Soki.
Wow.
Dodi, is this your book? Yeah. Yeah.
She give it to you lah.
Okay. Open book 50. 53.
What's that, ate? Open. This one from Tita. Wow. So cute. Wow.
Open David Strawberry.
No. You're from your best friend. How to start? How to give a thanks?
Wow.
Always never die, yeah?
Thank you, Mami Nurin.
Thank you, Mommy Dewey. Welcome. Wow, Tita Princess. Thank you, Tita Princess.
Alis ka.
Thank you.
Oh. Doll.
Okay.
Wow. Sumi, Tambi.
Shelly say this is from home.
Open.
She said, look, only from Shelly.
Afric.
Akka. Open it. What's that? Shelly says she. What's that?
What's that?
Shelly said that.
Oh.
Wow.
That's Aniska's favorite. What is that, Tambi?
This car electric battery, Baba.
Yeah.
The one I keep on asking, Baba.
Say hi, Noreen. Aniska's BFF.
Really, let's play this song.
Naubos na yung cupcake. Hindi ko pala napicturan. Ang alin ba? Ginagawa ninyo doon. Okay. Happy birthday.
Daddy, Nali can take the
Tambi. Ate.
si ate. Hello, dito kami sa nicho.
Abek.
Ate!
Ay, ito mura. What happened to ate? Yung mga chips nandoon sa kabila.
Pinakamasarap sa McDo, no? Pag-ice.
Spaghetti.
They're
Tambi.
going to give you the ice cream, is it? Or she know already, yeah? You're waiting.
Mamaya ma-impeach.
Mamaya ma-impeach si tita. Huwag natin i-declare.
Mamaya sabi.
Where are we? Burger King. Yan. Kakain si Avik sa Burger King. Si yung Jollibee sa kaliwa.
Do you like this? And spoon. Do you like this? This is your one.
Sana all. Say thank you, tita. Why just the...
They're
Tambi.
going to give you the ice cream, is it? Or she know already, yeah? You're waiting.
Pero ang pinakamasarap sa McDo, no? Pag-ice.
Spaghetti.
Can I see?
Wow, what the butter. Then the bag. Wow, kitchen. The bag, show me the bag. Tita's gift. Wow. Then the shoes. Unboxing sa iyang birthday gift shoes. Another one. The black one. Oh, sana all. Okay. Thank you, tita.